So the way I would typically set up this controller once we have the weight on the air skids is I'm going to open the main flow control here to the skids, and then this is my toggle to actuate the air. Now as you can see right now the air skids are not going to inflate because I have these flow controls turned all the way down, which is where you should start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actuate the dead man pendant, and then I'm going to turn these up maybe a half a turn each, and I'm going to work my way up until I start to see them float. And now you can see these are hopping a little bit, right? That's because these air skids have a lot more capacity than the weight that we have on here. So if you start to see hop like this, you're just going to turn these down a little bit, and you're going to see them settle out and float smoothly. There you go. And now I can rapidly deflate these by letting go of the dead man pendant. And again, now they'll inflate, and now they're already set to the correct airflow. So once we have this done, we're ready to go ahead and make our move. So now that we have the flow controls set correctly, and we know that the air skids are floating well for this weight, I wanted to show you what it looks like if you have too much or too little air. So let's go ahead and inflate the air skid. And if you wait a moment, you're going to see these all lift. Okay, so now we're floating comfortably. So let me show you what it would look like if this had too much air. And we're turning the flow controls up now. And you see this starting to shake. We call that hop. And I'm going to let that off. So what that means is that we have too much air going to each of these air skids, and the air skids are actually trying to take off. The air film that sits between the bearing and the floor is too great, and so what we're going to need to do is reduce that air, and I'll show you that now. I hit the air, it starts to hop, and now I'm going to turn each of these down just about a quarter turn, and you're going to see these settle out, and now you're ready to go.